Hey guys, Rahul Gupta this side, and in this video, before we dive deeper into the product demo of Dropshiply, let's first quickly understand what is exactly Dropshiply, right? So Dropshiply is your best platform that allows you to create unlimited e-commerce stores in under 5 minutes flat, right? So before Dropshiply, you had multiple options and choices to create e-commerce stores, but they were all expensive and you have to pay monthly fee. But with Dropshiply, you just pay for one time and you can start using your e-commerce stores forever, right? So let's see what Dropshiply can do for you. Okay, so with Dropshiply, you can create full-fledged e-commerce stores without any monthly fee because our charges are just one time, right? Dropshiply is a cloud software. It's very easy, simple, and straightforward, right? There is no hosting servers needed because everything is hosted on cloud, and it's ultra secure, and there are lots of security mechanisms already implemented in Dropshiply. That means there is no installation or download required. Also, you don't need any expensive softwares like Shopify or host a Magento or WooCommerce store, right? So that means you don't have to hire developers or you don't have to hire the freelancers to get your e-commerce store done. And there is literally zero learning curve with Dropshiply, right? Then second thing you can do is you have to decide which type of products you want to sell. So if you have digital products, you can sell digital products. If you have physical products, like maybe you are owning some inventory of mobile phones or jewelry or anything, then you can sell those physical products, or you can do affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is something where you don't have your own products but you have other people's products to promote. So that's where you do affiliate marketing, right? And in the digital products, you can sell softwares, music, pictures, audio, and video stocks, right? Like anything that you found digitally can be sold using Dropshiply, right? Then third thing, we enable you to make money online, right? So if you always wanted to run an online business and make money using, selling products, then Dropshiply is definitely a perfect fit for you to start your own career and your business, right? And the fourth and the most important thing that Dropshiply can do for you is you can do drop shipping, right? So let's understand what is drop shipping, and you would be really amazed about knowing all this, right? So when you want to start your online career and you want to sell something, your biggest problem is like you have to decide what to sell. So if there are no products, if you don't have any ideas on what to sell, then what exactly are you going to sell to someone, right? So this is where Dropshiply comes to your rescue, right? So let's move on to the next slide. So what is dropshipping? Basically, dropshipping is order fulfillment method that does not require a business to keep products in stock, right? So you want to sell some online physical products. So usually you have to buy those products or source those products from your wholesaler or from your supplier, right? But with dropshipping, you have nothing to invest upfront, right? Instead, the store sells the product and passes the sales order to a third party supplier, right? And then this supplier ships the product directly to the customer. So let's understand this into this visualization. In the points, you will see that there are 3 points: point number 1, 2, and 3. So this point number 1 is your customer, 2 is your store, and third is the supplier or the manufacturer, right? So what happens with dropshipping is, let's say you buy Dropshiply and then you have created your online e-commerce store, right? And you have your first customer landed on your store and he already liked the product and he wants to buy, right? So the customer spends money from his pocket and he gives you this money on your store, right? Which is point number 2. After that, you have the money, and what you will do now, you will send this order directly to the manufacturer, right? You spend money now from your pockets and then you ship the details of the customer directly to the supplier or the manufacturer, right? Once the manufacturer receives your order, he will ship this product directly to your customer on your behalf, right? So you see how this supply chain is easily managed, and this is drop shipping, and you would be amazed to know that Dropshiply facilitates this entire process for you, right? So in the next slide, we are going to see dropshipping steps in much detail, but let's see what are the benefits and the pros and cons of drop shipping, right? So in drop shipping there are no upfront investments, right? There is no inventory to hold. That means you can, experiment and test as many products as you like, because you don't have to source any of the products. And since there is everything digitally managed, therefore there are no warehouses to be used, and which means there are no losses whatsoever, because you don't have the physical inventory. That means there is no risk of getting fired, there is no risk of stealing or anything. Also, when you have your order, there is no shipping or packing system, because everything is handled directly by your supplier or manufacturer. And there is no inventory tracking, because these suppliers or manufacturers have huge inventories, right? And you obviously don't have to handle any returns, right? So why is dropshipping so great? Because you make the sale first and then you pay later to the manufacturer. So if you see this visualization, like I said, this is your store where you will be receiving the money, right? So your customer first gives you the money. You see the flow. The customer first gives you the money. After that, you have the money with your profits added. Let's say you sourced a product from your supplier and that product costs you $10, right? So you already charge your customers, let's say 2 times or 3 times the product price, which is the customer already paid you $30. And out from the $30, you have to just pay your supplier $10. And then this supplier or manufacturer or this warehouse is going to ship this product right to your customer, right? So that means you make sales first and you pay later. And with dropshipping, you have very low investment. You just need to, buy dropshipping software, such an awesome software like Dropshiply, and then there is no team needed, because there is no physical things involved. Like you receive the order, then you pay your supplier the order prices, and then the supplier is going to ship. So that means there is no physical team involved. And also, since this whole process is automated by Dropshiply, therefore your time investment would be very, very less, and you can easily test and experiment thousands of products that are listed in our store, right? And dropshipping, once you start, let me make you believe that it is extremely easy and it's a very flexible business model, because you are doing everything digitally with your software, right? So let's see the next step of how dropshipping works. So you will see here the step 1, which is your customer places an order from your online store. So this online store will be built by Dropshiply, right? So either you can build this store by yourself, or you can hire us to build your store ready for orders, right? Then the step 2, your store automatically sends the order to your dropshipping supplier, right? And step 3, your dropshipping supplier prepares your customer order. So once you pay your manufacturer is going to ask you whether you want to include any commercials or promos or anything inside that. And once you tell them that don't include anything, they will listen to you and they will ship this product to your customer directly, right? So that's how dropshipping works. And it's so amazing, guys, because you are really be ready towards making a new career opportunity for yourself in the side time. So are you ready? So if you are ready, then let's see what you can do, right? So are you ready to start your online new business, or you are ready to make money online? With Dropshiply, you can create and run your first e-com dropshipping store. And I would suggest you to never quit until you succeed with dropshipping. We have already made several 6-figure $1 million stores that we have been running for years now, right? And we have been making these stores, getting them profitable, and then selling them to big businesses, right? To big brands. So that's how we are making huge sums of money with Dropshiply. And I would like to really thank you for your attention, and let's see on board in the next video.